First, we'll open the trunk. Using a plastic trim remover tool, we will take out a plastic cover which is on the edge of the taillight. There's that cover taken out. Using an impact gun with a 10mm socket, we will take out 2 screws one by one. Once both the screws are out, we'll push the taillight sideways from the front. Using the same plastic trim remover tool, we'll also push the taillight from the edge. There's the taillight taken out. Notice there is that one main plug right there that needs to be taken out. Press and hold the tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. With the plug taken out, there we ended up taking out the taillight completely. Now suppose you have a new taillight and you want to install it back. We'll grab the main plug and then punch it back to where it came from. Once the plug is in, press the plug down until you hear a clicking sound. Notice this taillight has one pointer on the edge right there that needs to be installed on that hole right here, and another bracket right here that also needs to be aligned in that hole right there. We will carefully align the taillight by keeping in mind those two positions. Also push the taillight from both sides so that the pointers are installed firm and strong. Now we will punch in both the screws back. This time I will be tightening the screws back with a wrench, an extension and a 10mm socket. Tightening with the gun sometimes end up breaking the tabs, and we are trying to avoid that here. The bottom screw is tight, we'll tighten the top screw as well. Now we need to put back this plastic cover. Notice this cover has 2 tabs, one at the top and one at the bottom. So make sure these 2 tabs actually go into these 2 holes right there. We will carefully install the plastic cover and make sure those 2 tabs are aligned properly. Once installed, it seems a little wobbly, but that's fine. That's how it actually came originally. With that, we are done with our replacement process. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.